Hi everyone, welcome. My name's Sarah, welcome to my channel. Today's healing energy transmission is about your highest destiny. So clearing any energy in your field and aligning you so that you're walking the path of your highest destiny. I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine, and I trust that your guidance has brought you here in divine timing. All you need to do to receive this energy healing is to nod or accept and say yes. You can have your eyes open or your eyes closed, acknowledging that all healing comes from the divine. Go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Get yourself comfortable in your seat if you're laying down. Ideally, you're relaxed. And even if you don't know what the dream is in your heart that you want to follow, that's okay. This is really about clearing the way so that you can find it. Calling on the presence of Archangel Michael. Calling on your higher self. To be present here for you. And just softening, quietening the mind. Softening, quietening the mind. Let all the to-do lists, let the busyness, the business of life just soften. Soften, soften. As the mind quietens and softens, so does the bandwidth of your perception. The aperture for the messages from spirit opens wider. Bang, bang, bang. 3 bangs in the background. Or affirmation from spirit. And go ahead and take a deep breath right into your heart. And just seeing here the crown. This is activating your crown chakra. And seeing a beautiful golden crown upon your head. This is you, sovereign, regal, in your majesty. Perhaps you've never felt royal before or treated like a royal. Just today, here now, you are royalty. You are king or queen or everything in between of your own universe. You reign your own inner realm, and no one else can. So we're claiming your sovereignty here. That's you making choices that are in alignment with your highest destiny. That's taking the step forward in alignment with that path. That's trusting that the universe has your back and front and side and top and tail and everything in between. That's you when you're a hot, discombobulated mess. That's when you've got your act together, and everything in between. And yes, you're human, you make mistakes. That's okay too, right? And forgive yourself an error of judgment. That's how we learn. And maybe your crown's a little crooked, you want to straighten it there so it's strong, directly vertical, connected to source. And now to your beautiful heart. There's a song in there. There's a light in there. There's something in there that wants to be expressed through your physical form, through your life. And that thread, that song, that light is going to bring you the greatest fulfillment, the greatest joy, the greatest happiness. And it's going to involve all of your talents, all of your abilities, all of your experience moving forward, everything you've cultivated, everything you've learned, all the aspects of self, just bubbling away, cooking away, making a beautiful, rich broth. It's hearty and nourishing to the soul. And when you drink of it, it's going to ignite the fire in you and bring clarity to your mind's eye, awaken the fire in your heart, to know in your bones what is the right way forward for you, what is the next steps. You don't have to have all the answers, you don't have to have the whole big picture. But it's that thread of joy, it's that thread of excitement, it's that thread of passion in your heart. When you follow that seed, that spark, that dream, it's going to open doors, it's going to bring opportunities, it's going to create synchronicity, it's going to get you in front of the right people. Going to make connections that you didn't expect, because this is the universe handling the details. This is you not trying to figure it out in your mind, as if the mind is operating and the mind is trying to figure it all out. That's only using one aspect of your being, right? And you're so much more than the mind. So with that beautiful crown atop your head, in alignment with the spark in your heart, and the knowing in your bones, connected to that passion, that excitement, that thread, that spark. And trust, we're bringing in the quality of trust now, that the universe has your back. And that presence and that force and that power is palpable. That support. And then at your front, moving forward, there's a magnetic pull towards that which brings you joy, that which fulfills you, that which allows self-expression, that which nourishes your soul. It's a magnetic pull. And this is how you can navigate life and find the treasure, right? Maybe you're over here on the treasure map in the part of life where it's lost in the swamp. That's okay too. This is bringing you back on the path, back on track, with a map in your hands. You're a spirit charting the course, because your spirit knows the path of your highest destiny. And as we soften the mind and open the aperture for spirit, the messages to come loud and clear. Sometimes they're in whispers, sometimes they're in a sparkle, sometimes they're blazingly apparent. But this tuning, harmonic resonance, harmonic coherence in your being is settling your whole nervous system into that place of trust and divine guidance. Divine guidance from your higher self through the crown, awakening the heart. Sovereign in your being. Trusting that the way will become clear. Trusting that the way will reveal. Trusting that you have everything you need to follow that path. The right resources, the right people, the right timing, divine timing, divine connections. Go ahead and affirm with me. Yes. Yes. And again. Yes. And again. Yes. Feel that zing through your whole being. Your whole being zinging, alive, awake, aware, vital, tuned, in tune. Harmonic coherence with your authentic, true expression. Sovereign in your own being. Yes. Alright, my loves. Anchor this energy in, this beautiful alignment with your highest destiny, your sovereign self, with the gong. Beautiful deep breath. Thank you for doing the work. If this resonates with you, please like, share, subscribe so that others too may find their highest destiny, your alignment with their highest destiny. If you'd like to support me as an artist, please see the link below. All of my artworks, my creative works, created with conscious intention and spirit guidance to bring through healing energy. If you'd like to make a donation, you support all of this. Thank you so much. Bless.